Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting two of the biggest flagship phones head-to-head, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Both are top of the line, but which one is right for you? Let's break it down. Let's start with the display. Arguably the first thing you'll notice about a phone. Both the S24 Ultra and the Pixel 9 Pro XL feature expansive 6.8-inch screens, so you're getting plenty of space to enjoy your content. In terms of resolution, the S24 Ultra slightly edges out with 3120 by 1400 pixels, compared to the Pixel 9 Pro XL's 2992 by 1344 pixels. This results in a pixel density of 505 ppi for the S24 Ultra versus 486 ppi for the Pixel. So if you're a stickler for detail, the S24 Ultra might appeal more. Both devices offer an 88% screen-to-body ratio, maximizing your display area without much bezel, and they're evenly matched with a 120 Hz refresh rate, perfect for smooth scrolling and gaming. However, the display technologies differ. The S24 Ultra uses an AMOLED panel, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL opts for an LTPO OLED. Each has its strengths: AMOLED for punchy colors, LTPO OLED for power efficiency. When it comes to protection, the S24 Ultra features Corning Gorilla Armor, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL is equipped with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The Pixel's display also shines brighter at 3000 nits compared to the S24 Ultra's 2600 nits, making it a bit easier to see in bright sunlight. In the end, both displays are stunning, but the Pixel 9 Pro XL might have a slight edge in outdoor visibility thanks to its higher brightness. Moving on to what's under the hood, let's talk hardware. Both phones are running on Android 14, so you're getting the latest software optimized for performance. The S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a beast of a processor, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL features Google's Tensor 4 chipset. Both are built on a 4nm process, ensuring efficient performance, but the Snapdragon tends to have the upper hand in raw power. For graphics, the S24 Ultra uses the Qualcomm Adreno 740, compared to the Pixel's Mali G715 MC7. Gamers and heavy users might lean towards the S24 Ultra for smoother gameplay and better graphics performance. The S24 Ultra supports UFS 4.0 storage, which is faster than the Pixel 9 Pro XL's UFS 3.1, leading to quicker app loading times. The S24 Ultra also offers 14 GB of RAM, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL tops out at 16 GB. Both phones offer up to 1 TB of storage, though the Pixel starts with a 128 GB option, while the S24 Ultra starts at 256 GB. Overall, the S24 Ultra has a slight edge in processing power and storage speed, making it a better choice for power users, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a bit more RAM for multitasking. Section 3. Camera. Now, let's talk cameras, an area where both Samsung and Google excel. The S24 Ultra features a quad camera setup with a massive 200-megapixel primary sensor, along with 12-megapixel, 10-megapixel, and 50-megapixel lenses. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro XL has a triple camera setup with 50-megapixel, 48-megapixel, and 48-megapixel lenses. Google's known for its computational photography, but the S24 Ultra's hardware is hard to beat. On the front, the S24 Ultra sports a 12-megapixel selfie camera, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL blows it out of the water with a 42-megapixel front-facing camera, perfect for ultra-detailed selfies. Both phones are capable of recording in 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second, so your videos will look crisp and clear, no matter which one you choose. For photography enthusiasts, the S24 Ultra offers more versatility with its camera setup, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL might appeal to those who prioritize front-facing camera quality and Google's post-processing magic. Section 4. Battery life. Battery life is crucial, especially for these high-powered devices. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has a slightly larger battery at 5060 mAh, compared to the S24 Ultra's 5000 mAh. This could give the Pixel a slight edge in longevity. The S24 Ultra supports 45-watt fast charging, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL charges at 37 watts. The difference isn't huge, but the S24 Ultra will get you back up and running a bit faster. Interestingly, the Pixel 9 Pro XL supports faster wireless charging at 23 watts, compared to the S24 Ultra's 15 watts. If you rely on wireless charging, the Pixel might be the better choice. In terms of battery life, both phones should get you through a full day, but the Pixel 9 Pro XL might last a bit longer and charge faster wirelessly. Section 5. Connectivity and build. Connectivity and build quality are next on the list. Both phones come equipped with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and 5G support, ensuring fast and stable connections wherever you go. As expected, both devices use USB-C for charging and data transfer, keeping up with the industry standard. When it comes to weight, the S24 Ultra is slightly heavier at 232 grams, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL is a bit lighter at 221 grams. It's not a huge difference, but something to consider if you prefer a lighter device. Both phones come with an IP68 rating, meaning they're dust-tight and water-resistant, so you're covered for everyday spills and splashes. Both phones are built to last with top-notch connectivity and durable designs. Conclusion. So which one is the winner? Well, it depends on what you value most. If you're looking for cutting-edge performance, superior display, and a versatile camera system, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the way to go. But if you prioritize Google's AI-driven features, a superior front camera, and a slightly better battery life, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL might just be the perfect fit. Ultimately, both of these flagships offer incredible value and performance, making either one a fantastic choice. Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning towards. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.